How many are cat people? Just me. How many are dog people? Oh wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Thank you. Quite a bit. Why is there always more dog people than cat people? They can be. All right. How many are for both? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, perfect. How many neither? You don't like any of these animals? Nobody? All right, that's fine. All right, so when you did your voting, you had to decide on the system that I was using. You had to decide on, like, is this a multiple choice question or is it a multiple select? So multiple choice would mean you can only pick one box. You can't pick more than one. Multiple select, like our homework, would mean there could be more than one box checked, perhaps. So the Venn diagram being the way it is, it sets up the scenario. It tells you what the system is. So where do the people who checked both go? Like in the diagram, if I was going to put down dots to represent those 4 people, where would those dots go? Like over here, like off of the dog bubble? I was wondering, like the people who answered both, did they like both cat and dog? Is there a special region? Oh, good. Yeah, in the middle. Nice. All right, so the region in the middle is considered in a Venn diagram the place where you'd put people who like both cat and dog. It's totally true. So I'm going to put those 4 people right there as dots. All right, now, I will tell you that there is a problem with this data, like a big problem. See, 4 people said they like both cat and dog. But I see there's only one person who's a cat person. And so, see, if 4 people like both, are those 4 people also cat people? Or no? According to this Venn diagram, they actually are. They are cat people, see? So when I said who's a cat person, those people who said both, should they have raised their hands? They should have. See what I'm saying? By definition, if you're both, if you like cat and dog, you gotta check the cat and dog box. You like them, right? So it wasn't actually a multiple choice question where you had to pick only one box. You could have more than one box. See? But you didn't know that. Now you do. So let's re-vote and see if our results would change, you know? So how many people are cat people now? 1, 2, 3. Just 3? See, I'm surprised by that. Because 4 people said both before, unless you change your mind. How many people are really cat people? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right, it's better. A little better. Still missing somebody. Okay, so cross that out, put 4. How many are dog people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. See, our numbers are changing now that we understand the Venn diagram, right? Cool. Okay. How many are both? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Sorry. Both one more time. I just want to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4. Great, great. And neither? That didn't change. Okay. So, here's the thing. I didn't raise my hand for both. Okay? I raised my hand just for cat. There's still a problem here. You know what I mean? where would I go in this diagram? Would I go on the left in what would be called the cat-only region? Would I go in the middle, or would I go in the dog-only region? Where would I go? Where? Yeah, I like cat, but I didn't raise my hand for both. No, I'm not for dog, only cat. Right, I'm only for the cat, so I'm actually going to put myself over here. We'll put prof. That's me. So the problem is that the numbers don't add up, see? How many should we really have for cat people based on what we see? Should it be 4 or something else? It should be 5. It should be 5. Okay, let's try to vote again. How many people are cat people? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 for cat. How many are for both? Cat and dog. 1, 2, 3. That's better. All right. So let's put 3 here. We will erase one of these. Does the diagram make sense now? Yeah, so far it does. Yeah. All right, so question for you. How many dots should I put in the dog-only region? It's a tough question. You have to do a little subtractions to do it. How many? What times? Yep, 14 is exactly right. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Perfect. If we had somebody who voted neither, where would they go? We didn't have anybody, but yeah, they would go outside all the bubbles, yeah, like out here. Okay. So here's one of the conventions I'll use with these. You might see this in the videos and such, because this is a topic that kind of carries through in different ways. I may put the number of cat people on the border. Okay, on the border of the bubble. What does that mean? It means that contained within this bubble is 4 people. Okay, for dog people, I'm going to put 17 on the border. But if I write a number inside an area, like let's say here I put 1, that means that one person belongs in this region only. See, this is the cat only region, and there's one person in it. For the dog only, I might write, let's see, I guess it would be 14, right? 14 dots there in the dog only. So I hope that makes sense. Not everybody follows that convention, but that's something I do for myself, just to make it clear. Okay? All right, now that I introduced you to what a Venn diagram is and how it works, we're going to try to label our own Venn diagrams